guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this light orange eyeshadow look. Some of you wanted to see an orange eye look, and this is what I have created. I have also used some gold eyeshadows to make it more interesting, and let me know in the comments below what other eye looks you would like to see. Ghost alert! I have already applied my foundation, primer, concealer and powder. For this eye look I'm going to use the Glamo Camo palette. This one has a very nice orange eyeshadow that is going to be the start of the show. As always, you can use any eyeshadows that you have. I'm going to start with a brown eye pencil by Oriflame. With this one I'm going to outline the lashes and also the outer part of my lower lash line. I'm also connecting this line with the upper outline. After that, I'm taking this eyeshadow brush by Wet n Wild, and this one has synthetic bristles. I'm going to use this brush to diffuse the brown eye pencil on my eyes. With an eye blender brush by Essence, I'm taking eyeshadow Mellow, and this is a light yellow eyeshadow with a matte finish, and I'm going to buff this into the crease. This eyeshadow is going to be the base for the orange eyeshadow. After that, I'm taking the brush 225 by Zoeva, and this eyeshadow here in the corner, this one is New England and it is a matte orange eyeshadow. At first I'm placing the color, and after that I start diffusing it. I apply a second layer to intensify the color. I'm going over the edges without any product on my brush. I'm taking again this Wet n Wild brush. I have cleaned it before on a tissue, and I'm taking this orange eyeshadow again and I pack this on the outer part of my eyelid. I'm cleaning my brush on a tissue, and after that I'm diffusing the edges. Afterwards I'm taking this small brush by Essence. This is a smudging brush and the same orange eyeshadow, and I smudge this on the lower lash line. With the same brush I'm taking the light yellow eyeshadow and I'm diffusing the edges of the lower lash line. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence I'm taking this gold eyeshadow that we have. This one has a shimmery finish. I'm using this on the inner part of my eyelid. I'm also going to take this setting spray by Tarte and I'm going to spray a little bit on my brush, and after that take the same eyeshadow and press it lightly on my eyelid. I'm taking again the orange eyeshadow and I blend it lightly on the outer part of my eyelid. To highlight my brow bone, I'm taking this brush by Morphe. This is a pencil brush, and this very light champagne golden eyeshadow. This one has a shimmery finish. So this eyeshadow has just a very light sheen of yellow, and it makes everything to go very well together. With no additional product, I'm buffing the two colors together. To highlight the inner corner, I'm taking the same brush and this Wonder Blender Baked Highlighter by the brand AOA Studio. This is in the shade Bonbon. And I'm taking just a little bit of this one, and this one is a white yellow highlighter. It is very light and smooth on the skin. I'm using the same eyebrow pencil into my waterline. I'm also going to tightline my eyes. I applied my lashes, and let's continue with the rest of the makeup. On my lips I'm going to use this lipstick. This is the creamy lipstick in the shade 4 by Kiko Milano. This is very bright. I'm going to take some of the color with a tissue. On top of that I'm going to use a lip gloss. This is the High Shine Gloss by Marc Jacobs in the shade Some Girls. Maybe it is a little bit too glossy. After that I'm taking the Catrice Matte Bronzing Powder. This is in the shade Thirsty Medium Bronze, and the cheek brush by Essence. With the same brush I'm going to use a matte touch blush by Essence. This is in the shade Pitch Me Up. This gives a more natural peachy color to the cheeks. You can also use something more similar to the eyeshadows. I'm going to use the same highlighter as before with brush E40 by Sigma. This is so pretty on the cheeks. So I think I don't like the blush and also the lip color. I'm back! I decided to keep the lip color. If you want something more wearable, you can use this by NYX. This is the Butter Gloss in the shade Glazy Days. And I'm going to change my blush. This is the Blushbox in the shade Golden Coral. Okay, I think I like it better because the previous one was a little bit more pinky and I wanted something peachy. Okay, now I like the lipstick better. You can watch here another eyeshadow tutorial with purple eyeshadows. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!